Is Temu menswear the secret weapon to a stylish wardrobe, or just a budget-friendly bust? Let's find out. Alright guys, welcome to the ultimate Temu men's clothing review. We're diving deep to see if these deals are too good to be true, starting with quality. I ordered a variety of items. From shirts to jackets, the fabric weight is generally lighter than you'd find at department stores, but surprisingly decent for the price point. Stitching is mostly clean, though I did find a few loose threads here and there. Let's talk style. Temu's got a huge selection. You can find almost any style you're looking for. From basic tees to trendy streetwear pieces, the product photos can be a little misleading, so pay close attention to the descriptions and, most importantly, the reviews. Now, sizing, this is where things get tricky always. And I mean always. Check the size chart before you order. I recommend measuring yourself and comparing those measurements to the chart. Many items run small, so consider sizing up. I made the mistake of not doing this on my first order and had to return a few items. Fit can also be inconsistent. Some items fit perfectly as expected, while others are oddly proportioned. Again, read the reviews to see what other buyers are saying about the fit of specific items. Value for money. This is where Temu shines. You can build an entire wardrobe for a fraction of the cost of traditional retailers, but remember, you're often sacrificing some quality and consistency for that lower price. So, is Temu menswear worth it? It depends. If you're on a budget and willing to take a chance on sizing and potential quality issues, then absolutely just do your research, read the reviews, and manage your expectations. Happy shopping!